but I will show you. It feels so overwhelming. Chimera!
Hey, Arlen, have this!
I can't hold them off. I'll draw them. Think you'll make? What can you say? Are you ready, Uni? What hurt? I think that is power. It's
What? Arlen,
Chimera! Let me give you a taste. Blood boom! I need you, Mia! We can do this now!
What?
What? Know where that came from? Red the Storm! Let me give you a taste! Chimera! Without the finger! Well done! Way! Hit! Just a little more! Give it up! Going in! Blood boom! Let me give you a take! Shred the straw man!
Arlen, here!
Blood boom! Glimmering switchblade! Sparking me yet! I can help you! Shred the straw man! I'll show you! Blood boom!
Just one!
Glimmering switchblade! Sparking me yet!
Are you okay? How about this?
I'll show you! Shred the straw man! About time we finish this!
Ready whenever.
Chimera!
No,
Reflect on your failure.
you guys!
Fail.
Second!
Make it easier on yourself.
Hey!
Eat this! Lazy nuts and stripes. You won't get away! I'll draw them.
This'll keep me going.
Chimera! I'll draw them.
This'll keep me going.
Blood boom!
Arlen, here! Just
I
one!
need you, Mia! We can do this now! Know where that came from!
Just one!
Blood boom! What? I'll show you! Keep nothing close without the big gun! Feel that white hot push! Blood boom! Glimmering switchblade! I'm going in! Chimera! Shred the storm! Give it up! You won't get away! Blood boom! Give it up!
Come on now!
Hold on tight! You won't get away! Get that! I'll draw them!
This'll keep me going.
Shred the straw man! Give it up! Let me give you a blood boom! I need you, Mia!
What?
Take it to them! Eat this! Hypnotic hurt! Know where that came from! Blood boom! Eat this! Glimmering swiftly! Patience is at an end. Oh, come on! Yuri! Try some of this! Easy! Did it work? Can't be. Not a scratch.
Ouroboros and Mobius both manifest outwards from their core. So long as the core is intact, you can slice off as many limbs as you like. They will keep growing back. Yet, at the cost of vast energy consumption. Of course, this cuts down the time you can stay in that form. You're at your limit. There's really nothing we can do to beat him. Mio, everybody's hopes and dreams, they die here. Your hope is a fool's hope. And I will end your dreams. Now! No! Power is for those who face reality. And I, having witnessed countless realities, reside in a world beyond your ken. Reality, you say? Mio! Mio! You okay? Mio!
I'll live. Mimi. Lance. Sorry. Could I ask for some help here?
Yeah, no problem. This is the time, huh? For us to really shine.
Yeah. Right.
Let's go. Fire spark! Quit it with the bleeping!
Lance! Senna! Cancel the interlink! You're at your limit!
Oh, believe us!
We knew that from the start!
Got you now, scum!
Lance!
Sorry. This sort of stuff. It's about all I'm good for, really.
What are you talking about? What are you going to...
Senna! Mimi, remember what you said? You always told me to never stop being myself. I finally get it. What you meant by that. This is me. So don't give up yet. This'll buy you some extra time. Use it! Stop this! I don't want any of your time! Just come back, Senna!
We're too close. Take us out of here!
Okay!
What are they?
Thank you. Mimi?
Oh, too bad. You were so close.
X. What are you doing?
Hey, I just saved your life. Could I get just a little gratitude here?
Zed's orders.
Pretty much.
That Mobius!
X. The interlink. So this is her doing.
Lance!
Senna!
Are you okay?
Spark's sake!
Senna.
Sorry, Mimi. I couldn't pull it off.
It's okay. Forget about that.
Well now, I apologize for that little disturbance. It won't happen again. You'll notice your powers have now been fully sealed. Give it up. Your chances of victory are nil. What? My blade! It's gone!
What? How?
Impossible! Never heard of a blade failing.
Anton!
Piece of sh...
It seems you were hoping they would escape. Sadly, things didn't quite pan out your way, did they?
Because you cut him down! Sorry, Noah. Guess we were dead weight after all.
Did I not tell you? There's no hope. Now witness the result. A sideshow. What? I've just thought of the most wonderful little amusement. I see some relations have changed.